Here at 4:30 with the steps one company is taking to ensure travelers are safe if they take to the sky this summer.
Even though American Airlines will no longer require social distancing on the plane by allowing flights to be fully booked, there are many other rules now in place.
Action News reporter Becca Hendrickson got to check out the new system today. She's live at Philadelphia International with that story. Hey, Becca.
Brian and Jeanette, the new safety measures start at the check-in counter with things like the plexiglass shields, and when you go over to the kiosk, you're going to have to complete a health assessment before you can print out your boarding pass. But while these new safety measures are in place, the airline is taking away a big one, leaving the middle seat open.
American now requires you to wear a face covering and during this flight.
In this American Airlines terminal, certain seats are roped off for social distancing, and the crew has a new message for anyone who wants to get on board.
Unwilling to comply with this policy, you may be denied boarding.
On the plane, the crew has a new cleaning process that includes using a virus-killing electrostatic spray every week.
It's really important that we get it right, and I think what you've seen today are the various layers of security we have throughout the airport experience.
Still, starting Wednesday, the airline says it will start allowing flights to be booked at 100% capacity. That means the middle seat will no longer be open.
That was put in place long before we had the various layers of safety and security that we have in place today.
Sitting inches apart from each other.
The decision drew sharp criticism from Senator Bernie Sanders, who questioned the CDC and Dr. Anthony Fauci about the idea.
I think in the confines of an airplane that becomes even more problematic.
The airline thinks people should still feel safe. It says customers will have the option to switch flights for free if the plane is close to capacity. And while travel for this week should be the busiest it's been since before the pandemic, with 50,000 people expected to fly, that's still only about 30% compared to July 4th travel last year.
We absolutely feel that they should feel safe.
The airline also said that starting next week, it's going to double its daily flight departures to about 207. But if you compare that to last year, that's only about half of what they were doing in 2019. Live at the airport.